a blazing ball of plasma at the heart of our solar system. The Sun. It is the source of our light, our warmth, and the driving force behind life on Earth. Without the Sun, our planet would be a barren, frozen wasteland. Its immense gravity holds the planets in their orbits, dictating their celestial dance through the cosmos. For billions of years, the Sun has been a constant presence in our sky, a silent guardian watching over the evolution of life on our small blue planet. But what if this celestial giant, this giver of life, were to suddenly disappear? What would happen if the Sun exploded? Welcome to Planetary Possibilities. My name is Arya. Stars, like living organisms, have life cycles. They are born, they mature, and they eventually die. The manner of their demise depends largely on their mass. Smaller stars, like red dwarfs, can sputter out slowly, fading away over billions of years. Larger stars, on the other hand, meet more dramatic ends, often culminating in spectacular supernova explosions that scatter their enriched guts across the cosmos. Our Sun, however, falls somewhere in between. It's not massive enough to go supernova, but it won't simply fade away either. In about 5 billion years, it will enter its red giant phase, expanding dramatically and engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. This will mark the end of our planet as a habitable world. But what if, in a cosmic twist of fate, the Sun were to deviate from its predicted life cycle and explode prematurely? Let's imagine the unimaginable. The Sun, in a sudden and unexpected turn of events, explodes in a brilliant supernova. This is not how our Sun is expected to die, but the hypothetical scenario allows us to explore the forces at play and their devastating consequences. At the moment of explosion, an unimaginable amount of energy would be released, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs detonating simultaneously. This energy would radiate outwards at the speed of light, carrying with it a lethal wave of radiation. This hypothetical supernova would be the most catastrophic event in our solar system's history. The planets, once held in their celestial ballet by the Sun's gravity, would be flung outwards like stones from a sling. Earth, caught in this cosmic maelstrom, would be subjected to unimaginable forces, its surface reshaped, its atmosphere stripped away. The consequences for life, as we know it, would be immediate and irreversible. It takes approximately 8 minutes for light from the Sun to reach Earth. In the event of a solar explosion, these 8 minutes would be our last moments of blissful ignorance. During this brief window, life on Earth would continue as normal, oblivious to the impending doom hurtling towards us at the speed of light. The Sun would shine as always, its warmth caressing our skin, seemingly oblivious to its own imminent demise. However, once those 8 minutes are up, all hell would break loose. The first sign of the catastrophe would be a blinding flash of light, far brighter than anything ever witnessed on Earth. This light wouldn't be the warm, life-giving light we are accustomed to, but a searing, energy-packed wave of radiation, signaling the arrival of the supernova's shockwave. Within 24 hours of the initial flash, the shockwave from the supernova would slam into Earth with unimaginable force. Our planet, once the haven of life, would be instantly transformed into a cauldron of unimaginable heat and chaos. The atmosphere would be stripped away, oceans would vaporize, and the surface would melt into a molten sea. Life, in all its forms, would be extinguished in an instant. The Earth, no longer a recognizable planet, would be a charred, lifeless rock hurtling through the vastness of space. The familiar constellations, once used for navigation and storytelling, would be gone, replaced by the chaotic aftermath of the supernova. The solar system, once a place of order and balance, would be in complete disarray. Even if, by some miracle, Earth were to survive the initial blast and shockwave, the following days would bring their own unique horrors. The absence of sunlight would plunge the planet into perpetual darkness, halting photosynthesis and sending temperatures plummeting. The once vibrant ecosystems would collapse, with plants and animals alike succumbing to the cold and lack of sustenance. The delicate balance of Earth's biosphere, carefully crafted over billions of years, would unravel with devastating speed. The oceans, once teeming with life, would become silent tombs, their once vibrant ecosystems extinguished. The land, once home to a dazzling array of flora and fauna, would be rendered barren and lifeless. The Earth, once a vibrant blue oasis in the vastness of space, would become a desolate wasteland. In the weeks following the supernova, the Earth would continue to be bombarded by lethal radiation and cosmic debris from the exploded Sun. This relentless assault would further alter the planet's surface, transforming it into an alien landscape. The remnants of our civilization, once testaments to human ingenuity and creativity, would be reduced to dust and rubble. The Earth, once a place of boundless beauty and diversity, would be rendered unrecognizable. The familiar continents, once home to diverse cultures and ecosystems, would be reshaped by unimaginable forces. The oceans, once teeming with life, would be vast, lifeless expanses. The planet, once a symbol of life and hope, would become a chilling reminder of the universe's destructive power. The effects of the Sun's explosion wouldn't be limited to Earth. The entire solar system would feel the impact. The planets, once held in their orbits by the Sun's gravity, would be sent careening off in different directions, their future trajectories uncertain. Some might be ejected from the solar system entirely, condemned to wander the interstellar void for eternity. The asteroid belt, once held in a delicate balance, would be thrown into chaos, with asteroids colliding with each other and with planets, creating a cosmic shooting gallery. The beautiful rings of Saturn, once a testament to the wonders of the universe, would be scattered, their intricate structures destroyed. The solar system, once a place of order and harmony, would become a chaotic and unpredictable environment. Despite the devastation it would unleash, the hypothetical explosion of our Sun would be an awe-inspiring spectacle of cosmic energy release. The amount of energy emitted in a supernova is truly mind-boggling, surpassing the total energy output of our Sun over its entire lifetime. This energy would radiate outwards in all directions, illuminating the cosmos with a brilliance that would outshine entire galaxies. For a brief period, our Sun would become the most luminous object in its corner of the universe, its light carrying the story of its demise to distant stars and galaxies. This burst of energy, while destructive on a local scale, would contribute to the cosmic cycle of stellar death and rebirth, scattering heavy elements into the interstellar medium, the raw materials for future generations of stars and planets. In the face of such unimaginable destruction, it's hard to imagine any possibility of life surviving the explosion of our Sun. However, the universe is full of surprises, and life, as we know, is incredibly resilient. It's conceivable that, somewhere in the vastness of space, life could exist in forms we can't even fathom, perhaps even capable of withstanding or adapting to such catastrophic events. Perhaps, on a distant planet orbiting another star, a civilization far more advanced than our own would watch in awe as our Sun explodes, their telescopes capturing the event in all its terrifying beauty. Or perhaps, deep within the Earth itself, in the darkest depths of the oceans, or buried miles beneath the surface, microbial life could find a way to survive, clinging tenaciously to existence in the face of overwhelming odds. While the hypothetical explosion of our Sun would undoubtedly be a catastrophic event, it also serves as a reminder of the vastness and power of the universe we inhabit. It highlights the preciousness of life and the importance of appreciating the delicate balance that makes our existence possible. And it challenges us to look beyond our own solar system, to explore the cosmos and search for other worlds, other possibilities, and perhaps even other forms of life that defy our current understanding. And if you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more planetary possibilities.